Welcome to the Great Taste of Las Vegas. Here's today's segment. These two vegetables will take the same time to cook, so we put them together so we can cook at the same time, and they cook good together about 6 minutes. These already washed. This I'm going to make it a really good, just leave it whole like that and put in a basket and rinse it. Rinse the mushroom quickly. A little bit of water on that going to be helpful to get it stick together. The broccoli that already has its own already washed, yeah. So there's a little bit of water in there on the mushroom. That's all you need. Now you add oil to it. So add about around this much, a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, depending on how much oil you like. Just trickle around the vegetable like that. You don't need a lot, okay? With this, I add a little bit of soy sauce into it for oriental flavor. Little bit, like quarter teaspoon. You don't want it too salty. Pepper, nothing much special. A little bit of onion. Same thing. Half teaspoon. It will coat with the oil and the water in there. A little of garlic to make it healthier for your blood, like quarter teaspoon or less if you don't like a lot of garlic. All done now. So what you do, you toss this like this with a spoon, and you can cook in the air fryer 5 to 6 minutes because these vegetables take less time. So a right amount of little bit of water that you wash and a little bit of oil is going to coat the vegetable evenly, and the vegetable itself have some water too, so when it cooks, it blends in with all of the spices you just put. So give it a good toast around and then put it in the air fryer to cook, okay? These 2 vegetables will cook between 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's already 6 minutes, 7 minutes. We don't need it that long. It should be 5 to 6 minutes, but look, it's a little bit overcooked, but it's still great. So your mushroom, button mushroom, and broccoli, the healthy vegetable that should be included in your diet. See how easy it cooks. Hope you enjoy it.